Hello student, welcome to Ideal Science Academy's YouTube channel, Rotational Dynamics Lecture Part 2. जर का तुम्ही पार्ट फर्स्ट बघितला नसेल तर डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्समध्ये पार्ट फर्स्टची लिंक दिलेली आहे. लिंक ओपन करून व्हिडिओला अवश्य बघा. लास्ट लेक्चर रिव्ह्यू. लास्ट लेक्चरमध्ये आपण सर्क्युलर मोशन्स, UCM अँड नॉन UCM, रेडियस वेक्टर, angular displacement, angular velocity and angular acceleration हे 6 पॉइंट्स आपण लास्ट लेक्चरमध्ये कवर्स केले. टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी अबाउट सेंट्रिपिटल फोर्स. दिस इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ सेंट्रिपिटल फोर्स. द फोर्स which is directed toward the center of circle along the radius is called as centripetal force. The force which is directed toward the center of circle, this line is at most important, toward the center of circle along the radius, such type of force is called as centripetal force. Properties of centripetal force: it is a real force. It is not responsible for maintaining UCM. It is responsible for maintaining UCM. Centripetal force is responsible for maintaining UCM. युनिफॉर्म सर्क्युलर मोशनला मेंटेन करण्यासाठी, कंटिन्यूस ठेवण्यासाठी सेंट्रिपिटल फोर्स नेसेसरी आहे. इट इज अरायझेस इन इनर्शियल अँड नॉन इनर्शियल फ्रेम ऑफ रेफरन्स. सेंट्रिपिटल फोर्स हा दोन्ही फ्रेम ऑफ रेफरन्समध्ये तयार होतो, इनर्शियल ॲज वेल ॲज नॉन इनर्शियल फ्रेम ऑफ रेफरन्स. नॉन इनर्शियल फ्रेम ऑफ रेफरन्स इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड ॲज ॲक्सलरेटेड फ्रेम ऑफ रेफरन्स. Let's see the formulas. Formula of centripetal force is F is equal to mv square upon r. F is equal to mr omega square. F is equal to mv omega, where m means mass of an object. प्रत्येक इक्वेशनमध्ये आपण m यूज केलेलं आहे, and that m means mass of object. v linear velocity. फर्स्ट आणि थर्ड इक्वेशनमध्ये आपण व्हीचा यूज केलेला आहे. अँड ओमेगा अँग्युलर वेलॉसिटी. सेकंड आणि थर्ड इक्वेशनमध्ये आपण ओमेगा ही टर्म यूज केलेली. अँड आर मीन्स रेडियस. सो दिस इज द बेसिक इन्फॉर्मेशन ऑफ सेंट्रिपिटल फोर्स. डेफिनेशन, प्रॉपर्टीज अँड फॉर्म्युला. लेट्स सी नेक्स्ट पॉइंट. पिक्चुरियल रिप्रेझेंटेशन ऑफ सेंट्रिपिटल फोर्स. सो सपोज दिस इज द बॉडी and this body is moving along the circumference of circle. This body is moving along the circumference of circle. In this case, the force which is directed toward the center of circle, that red line indicates that the force which is directed toward the center of circle, this is the center of circle, and this force is directed toward the center of circle. This is called centripetal force. Vector forms. Vector F is equal to minus mv square upon r into r0 vector. Vector F is equal to minus mr omega square into r0 vector. Vector F is equal to minus mv omega into r0 vector. तिन्ही इक्वेशन्समध्ये आपण निगेटिव्ह साइन्स यूज केलेले. दॅट निगेटिव्ह साइन्स शो दॅट, वेअर निगेटिव्ह साइन्स शो दॅट सेंट्रिपिटल फोर्स अँड रेडियस वेक्टर आर इन अपोजिट डायरेक्शन. Centripetal force and radius vector are in opposite direction, hence negative signs is used in the vector forms. Examples of centripetal force. Let's see the examples. First example is motion of earth around the sun. In this case, necessary centripetal force is provided by gravitational force between the sun and earth. We know that earth around the sun in circular orbit. For circular motion, which force is necessary? Centripetal force, and that centripetal force is provided by gravitational force between sun and earth. Second example, motion of electron around the nucleus. Electron is revolve around the nucleus in circular orbit. In this case, necessary centripetal force is provided by electrostatic force of attraction between nucleus and electron. We know that nucleus has positive charge and electron has negative charge, and positive negative have electrostatic force of attraction, and that electrostatic force of attraction is further converted into centripetal force, and due to that centripetal force electron round the nucleus. So this is the second example. Third example, motion of car along a curved road. This is the circular motion, part of circular motion. In this case, necessary centripetal force is provided by frictional force between tires and surface of road. Tires of car and surface of road यांच्यामध्ये जे फ्रिक्शन होते त्या फ्रिक्शनमधून फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स तयार होतो, and that frictional force is converted into centripetal force, and due to that centripetal force car move along a curved road. Centrifugal force, see the definition. The force which is directed away from the center of circle along the radius is called as centrifugal force. The force which is directed away from the center of circle, center पासून बाहेरच्या साइडनी, away from the center of circle along the radius is called as centrifugal force. Properties of centrifugal force: it is a pseudo force, that is imaginary, त्यालाच आपण imaginary असं म्हणतो. It is not responsible for maintaining UCM. युनिफॉर्म सर्क्युलर मोशनला मेंटेनिंग करण्यासाठी हा रिस्पॉन्सिबल नाही आहे. इट इज नॉट रिस्पॉन्सिबल. इट इज अरायझेस ओनली इन नॉन इनर्शियल फ्रेम ऑफ रेफरन्स, दॅट इज ॲक्सलरेटेड फ्रेम ऑफ रेफरन्स. तर सेंट्रिफ्युगल फोर्स हा फक्त नॉन इनर्शियल फ्रेम ऑफ रेफरन्समध्ये तयार होतो, त्यालाच आपण ॲक्सलरेटेड फ्रेम ऑफ रेफरन्स म्हटलेलं आहे. सो दिस थ्री आर द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ centrifugal force. It is a pseudo force. It is not responsible for maintaining UCM. It is arises only in non-inertial frame of reference. And you can add the fourth point as well here. It is always directed away from the center of circle. You may add here at the point fourth. Pictorial representation of centrifugal force. Suppose this is the center of circle, and from center of circles the arrow is going outward toward away from the center of circle. Suppose this is the body, and this body is moving along the circumference of circle in a circular path. So the force which is going away from the center of circle toward the object, away from the center of circle. So this is the pictorial representation of centrifugal force. Let's see the formula. F is equal to mv square upon r. F is equal to mr omega square. F is equal to m into v into omega. Same, m is the mass of object, v is the linear velocity, omega is the angular velocity, and r is the radius. So these three are the equations of centrifugal force. You notice that centrifugal force formula and centripetal force formula are same. Look here, F is equal to mv square upon r. This is the formula of centrifugal force, and the same formula we saw that in the previous slide. F is equal to mr omega square, same equations centripetal force मध्ये आपण बघितलेलं आहे. F is equal to m into v into omega, same equation आपण centripetal मध्ये सुद्धा बघितलेलं आहे. Vector forms of centrifugal force. Vector F is equal to mv square upon r into r0 vector. Vector F is equal to mr omega square into r0 vector. Vector F is equal to m into v into omega into r0 vector. These are the vectors form of centrifugal force. Here is no negative sign. Equation मध्ये आपण negative sign use केलेली नाही आहे. That is, centrifugal force and radius vector are in the same direction. Centrifugal force and radius vector, that is r, are in the same direction, and where r0 is the unit vector having value 1. Examples of centrifugal force. When the bus takes sudden turn, passenger in the bus experience outward centrifugal force. Centrifugal force चं पहिलं example आहे. When the bus takes sudden turn, then passenger in the bus experience outward centrifugal force. If a bus taking inward turn, then passenger pulled outward due to the centrifugal force. A cyclist moving fast along a curved road has to lean inward in order to maintain his balance against the centrifugal force. A cyclist is moving along a curved road has lean inward. इनसाइडमध्ये तो त्याचा वेट शिफ्ट करतो इन ऑर्डर टू मेंटेन हिज बॅलेन्सला मेंटेन करण्यासाठी अगेन्स्ट द सेंट्रिफ्युगल फोर्स. इफ इट डझंट लीन इनवर्ड, जर का तो लीन नाही झाला, देन ड्यू टू द सेंट्रिफ्युगल फोर्स इट माइट बी थ्रोन आउटसाइड, तो रोडच्या आउटसाइड थ्रोन केला जाईल. अ कॉइन प्लेस ऑन ग्रामोफोन डिस्क इज थ्रोन ऑफ आउटवर्ड ड्यू टू द सेंट्रिफ्युगल फोर्स. जर का रोटेटिंग डिस्कवर आपण एक कॉइन जर का ठेवला तर तो कॉइन आउटवर्ड साईडनी थ्रोन केला जातो ड्यू टू द एक्सपिरियन्स ऑफ सेंट्रिफ्युगल फोर्स. प्रिन्सिपल ऑफ ड्रायर इन वॉशिंग मशीन इज बेस्ड ऑन सेंट्रिफ्युगल फोर्स. वॉशिंग मशीनमधलं जे ड्रायर आहे त्या ड्रायर्स हे सेंट्रिफ्युगल फोर्सच्या बेसिसवरती वर्क करतं. डिस्टिंग्विश बिटवीन CPF अँड CFF, सेंट्रिपिटल अँड सेंट्रिफ्युगल फोर्स. It is directed toward the center of circle, centripetal force. Centrifugal force, it is directed away from the center of circle. It is a real force. It is a pseudo force. It is not responsible for maintaining UCM. It is responsible for maintaining UCM. It is arises in inertial and non-inertial frame of reference. It is arises only in non-inertial frame of reference. So this is the distinguish between centripetal and centrifugal force, and that these distinguishes depend on properties of centripetal and properties of centrifugal force. Nothing is different here. Just see the properties. You will understood this well. So thank you for watching video. If you like video, then press the like button and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.